Good morning, YouTube. Today's recap is coming to you a little bit early because, for one, I hit my profit targets and had a great trading day. Also, even if it wasn't that way, we have FOMC rate decision coming up, and I wouldn't have wanted to been in the markets anyway. So, first trade actually was at 6 a.m. Central Time, 7 Eastern. Got it done early, which was cool. So, this one, it was just a good risk to reward. I kind of just opened up my computer at the right time, right place, right time. So here, this white line was London high. It was also in line with VWAP. If you zoom out a little bit, or if I scroll over, you can see we're kind of ranging here. So it hit the top of the range, it rejected. I took a short, and I was actually targeting something I was looking at from the night before. There was a point of control from yesterday right here at 19,900. It was also a nice round number. So hit that target, got a great trade to lock in some profits on one of my accounts there. To show you guys, I actually hit my profit target in the futures desk, and I copy trade 2 of them, and then also hit it in top 1 futures in all of the accounts that I copy trade. So good day. That was the first trade I took. Opening, first minutes of the New York Open, I actually got chopped up a little bit. I had 2 losses. Both of them probably could have been avoided. So this first one was just dumb. It was at 842, so the opening range had not been set yet. Really, I was just kind of looking at the risk to reward of the trade. So here was the opening range, and it kind of was just getting rejected there. And the whole night had been bearish. So in my mind, I guess I was looking for shorts. Again, it was not the smartest thing. So I got stopped out there. Need to wait for confirmation. The 15-minute to close. Also, looking here to the left in hindsight, I should have seen this big bullish candle, which kind of showed that buyers were showing up. So shouldn't have taken that trade. That was a bad one. This next one had the right idea, was going in the right direction, but just kind of flipped too early from bearish to bullish, shorts to longs. Shouldn't have done that. So should have just waited for more confirmation. My thought was it was kind of consolidating under the 15-minute opening range high, was thinking it was just going to bust through. One, I need to wait for confirmation. So breakout retest would have been a whole lot of a better trade. So I ended up getting stopped out on this. After it whipped off of that opening range low, again, I was looking for longs. So once it broke past that New York VWAP with a good bullish move, I re-entered a long. And that one ended up being pretty good. So here, what I did was targeted VWAP at 975 and took out 90% of my position. I left a little bit of a runner to 20,000 just because that was kind of a round psychological number. Those obviously didn't hit, so I ended up getting stopped out on my trailing stop loss on that position. Here, my last trade of the day, this was a failed action, barely. So technically, there's opening range high, or a 15-minute initial balance, 60-minute initial balance high, barely wicked off of that and ended up rejecting. The reason I took this trade, even though we had longs, it was a bullish day, it was still a lower high if you look at the overall trend on the 15-minute chart. Also, we had VWAP here. So that's why I took that short, and the risk to reward on it was really good. So I was just targeting down to New York, the anchor VWAP, and actually hit my profit targets with that position. But, hindsight, it went all the way back down. But yeah, those were my trades for today. I feel pretty great about it, considering it was FOMC and wasn't sure what to expect on the markets. And really just that one trade definitely I could have avoided, was not within, didn't wait for the 15 minutes to close, or be set, 15-minute range to be set. And then this one I should have been more patient and waited for confirmation. So eliminate those 2 dumb trades and would have had a perfect day. That's my goal, is just to keep journaling these things, to put myself out there and really help myself stay accountable, the more I'm like journaling my trades and kind of reevaluating and looking back, I'm taking much better trades. So this is helping already. And if you guys have any feedback, any comments, I would love to hear your thoughts on how I can improve. And like and subscribe, and we can grow together. Thanks. Have a great day.